All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, 6-in-1 miners, cryptocurrency projects, all kinds of good stuff. Well, this video today is going to be about 4 or 5 of the crypto projects that I've been doing that are working, and we're going to cover them for a few minutes in each one. All right, don't forget to hit the like button. Well, first one's going to be the Cake of Fortune. We're going to talk about the Cake of Fortune a little bit. We're going to talk about BUSD crop yield farmers for a little bit. We're going to talk about BUSD crop farmers for a little bit. We're going to talk about Trust Miner for a little bit. And then if we have time, we'll talk about the king of them all, BNB Miner. So we got a whole good lineup. I'm going to claim on film twice on 2 of the projects so you can see how it's going to be done. Then we're going to talk about all these different things. Back in the day, a few months ago, February, March, and April, we were doing these node projects, losing our ass and stuff like that. So basically, I've switched to some other projects. These projects are all working for me. Again, I'm not a financial planner. I do this for educational purposes only. Again, this is a solo dolo kind of thing. What you do, if you press the button, that's you pressing it. If you make some money, great. If you lose some money, that's all on you. All right, this is going to be a fantastic video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, get into some cryptocurrency projects. First one, probably my second favorite project of all, the Cake of Fortune. Let's head on over. All right, we got the Cake of Fortune right here. This project's been out for about a month, a little over a month. Things been going real well. Look, it pays 3% a day. Very sustainable project. 1095 APR. You have to approve your cake before you actually put it in. You can hire more hunters right here. You can also take your cake. Right now, if we take a look here, there's about 12,000 cake in the contract. It's been going real up, which is fantastic. I want to show you a couple things here. If you go to our Telegram group right here, everything you need to know. A lot of people have been asking me about the Elk of Fortune. You need to go to this. Craig does a great job. Take a look right here. Like he always writes here, but he pins different messages. And like right here, for example.
I don't know if they're real or what, where people say they can vote for a certain price. I might pay out of my own pocket, so it's not to do with the marketing, and just get a try.
So the key thing I like is the Telegram group right here. You can go here. All the updates you will need will be in here. The Elk of Fortune is coming in a few days. I would again say if you're into the Elk of Fortune, which again, I'm going to be into it, I would go to the Cake of Fortune right here. Also, you go to the YouTube thing at the top here. This again is also going to take you to Craig. Look at
Hello, welcome to my next YouTube video. My name's Crypto.
Just pause this for a second. Look what he's got right here. We're going to talk about this here in a second. This crop yield farmers. But right here.
Hello, welcome to my next YouTube video. My name's Crypto Craig. And today is Sunday, so we all know what's going on today. It is the rehypothecation day. So today we are going over the Cake of Fortune, and we are on 1030 cake.
Now notice in here at the bottom here, there's 5,000 cake here at the bottom when he filmed this video.
Past 5 days, we have had an increase of 3.5% each day.
All right, again, there's $5,000 in cake in this project. Just again, showing you navigating a little bit, how easy this is. Right at the top of the Cake of Fortune, you have the YouTube, you have the Telegram. You can also, there was 5,000 cake in the contract. Wow, there's 12,000 cake now in there too. You can also go right here to BSC contract. When you go there, it tells you exactly how much money is in the contract. So, one of my favorite projects, probably my second favorite project, the Cake of Fortune. I got 2.36 cake sitting right there. We'll show you real quick on film. Let's go ahead and hire some more hunters. So we're going to go on this one. We're actually going to put it back into the project. You're going to see 2 that I'm going to take out of the project. We hire the hunters right here. Now notice 113.1 and 157. So we're hiring it, 113.1 and 157. Putting this money back into the contract. Boom, 113.1 turned into 115.3. And 157 turned into 160. Again, this is a very modest 3%. I heard one of my people on my channel actually says, "Oh, this is just a copy of that BNB miner." Well, That's a compliment. Being a copy of the BNB miner, that's the best project on the planet. Cake of Fortune is my first one I'm covering. All right, everybody, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. The objective of this video is to show you some projects that are working. A lot of things are getting rugged. A lot of people lost money on nodes. A lot of people don't know what to do. The streets were bloody the last few weeks and stuff like that with everything going down. I mean, Avalanche used to be $70, $80. Now it's $20. I mean, everything's going down. Ethereum used to be $2,000, $3,000. Now it's like $1,200. Again, I'm not a financial planner. I do this for educational purposes only. Let's head over to our next one. All right, our next one is BUSD Crop Farmers. 300,000 in the contract, 8% a day. One of my favorites. The balance is going down a little bit, but take a look at this. I put $275 into the project. I've taken out $731. That's a pretty good 3 times my money. Right now, I've already compounded 10 times. My card is full. I have $34 sitting in there. Let's go ahead and harvest this. Using my little ledger right there. Notice I got 0 BUSD right there, 731 right there, showing you how simple this is in BUSD. The $34, there's probably going to be a little bit of a fee. It's going to jump over here. Boom, $32. So, again, one of my favorite projects. Why? My only regret on this one is I wish I would have put more money in. That's okay. Look, I put $275 in. 3,300 I compounded. Claimed $764. Just claimed $32 on film. So again, this is one of my favorite projects. So frequently asked questions. I'm not going to spend a lot of time here. But again, if you're looking for a BUSD project, you may want to check out BUSD Crop Farmers. Which leads me to my next one. Because of that, we fell in love with this one, which is the BUSD Crop Yield Farmers. So here we go. So I got $37 into this. Take a look at this. I've taken out $500. I put in $918. There's 4 plans to choose from. Plan 1 pays 2% a day for 200 days, 400% ROI. Plan 2 pays $225 ROI for 90 days, 2.5%. Plan 3 pays 60 days, 180% ROI, 3% daily. Plan 4 is a little 40-day plan, 140% ROI, 3.5% daily. I've actually did all 4 of the plans. I put $200 in plan 1 for 2%. I still got 167 more days of getting paid on this project. Plan 4, I put $69 BUSD. I got 7 more days on this one, 3.5% a day. Plan 2, I put the most in, $502 BUSD. I still got 2 months, 61 days to make my 2.5% a day. And plan 3 was the last one I just did. I threw $137 in, get 3% a day, make 52 more days. Key thing for me is it's paid out in BUSD. Why is that so important? Because it's pegged to $1. You don't have to worry about this coin going down. I did an FTM project a while back, a month and a half ago. FTM was at 70 cents. Oh, it's at 25 cents right now. So even I figured out it would take this long to break even to get my money back. Well, now it's this long because, again, the coin's not 70 cents. The coin's 25 cents or 23 cents, whatever it is. BUSD and USDT pegged to $1. Stable coins, you got to freaking love them. Let's head back and go over this. All right, so again, I put $918 in. I've got $503 back. Let's go ahead and right on film show you that these platforms work. I've been doing a video on this. Nobody's ever referred on this. Okay, I put my link in the bottom. Hey, no big deal. Let's go ahead and withdraw. Okay, $37. There's a 10% that they keep, and they put it right back in the project. So 3.7, almost $4 is going to be taken. Hey, no big deal. George puts that back in the project. We like it. $37. My 503 went to 537. So let's look at that. 503 minus 537, $34. So $34 more on the project. I got all these days. I got 167 days, 7 days, 61 days, 52 days. Again, all these different plans to choose from. Minimum 30 BUSD, 40, 50, and 60. It's got some maximum, 6,000, 8,000, 10,000, and 12,000. Anti-wear control features, 48-hour compound time, 24-hour withdrawal down, cooldown period. So now that I just did this is withdrawal, I can't withdraw again for 24 hours. If I compound, you can't do nothing for 12 hours. The maximum you can put in is 36,000 BUSD. And for whales, you can only get $1,000 a day. All kinds of good stuff. But that's all so far. Three fantastic projects. The Cake of Fortune. BUSD crop yield farmers. BUSD crop farmers. Three fantastic projects. Looked like my camera moved a little. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Again, the Elk of Fortune, Craig's talking about it. It's coming out in a few days. 1% of the Cake of Fortune, the Elk of Fortune is going to go back in to feed the Cake of Fortune. These two are going to be intertwined, which is real good. So if you like the Cake of Fortune, you're going to definitely like the Elk of Fortune. I'll be doing some videos on that. Let's go over to our next project, the Trust Miner. Paid out in USDT. This is just like BUSD, pegged to $1. I don't have to worry about a week from now or 2 weeks from now. Oh, the coin's down 30%. Oh, the coin's down 50%. Or AVAX was $80. Oh, it's $20. I mean, that's freaking crazy. I mean, but again, it's crypto, so it is what it is. Remember what I said one time, crypto will go up, it'll go down, it'll go to the right, it'll go to the left. Crypto's crazy right now. Wild, wild west, they say. Let's head over to Trust Miner. All right, right here, Trust Miner. This pays 3.3% a day. Are you starting to notice some of my projects? I mean, BUSD crop farmers pays 8%, but most of these projects are at 3%. They're more sustainable. Copy and the King, BNB Miner, that thing's paying 3%, but this is not paying 8% or 12% or 20% or 80% a day. It's paying 3.3% a day in USDT. Okay, look at this. When I did a video the other day, there was like 22,000 the money in the contract. Now there's 41,000. That's kind of crazy. I got $1.67 right there. I'm just going to let it build up till tomorrow. I can compound my money. I can withdraw my money. I can buy bots. There's a compound calculator. Show you this real quick. Look, if you put $500 in this thing, well, not $5, $500. Okay, and it shows you like, look at this. In week 5, you put 500 in. If you compound it every day, you'd have $1,100 in interest. You'd have $1,600. In week 7, let's move this over here. I know that my face is in the way right here. In week 7, if you put $500 in, again, I'm not a financial planner. I do all this for educational purposes only. This is a solo dolo kind of thing. When you click that little click, you're doing it. You're making money or losing money. It's all based on you. Do your research, of course. Week 7, put 500 in. Compounded thing every single day. 7 weeks later, you got 2,000 in interest, 2,500. Well, look what happens for your 500 if you did this for 10 weeks. You'd have 500 in, 4,500 interest, 5,000. That would kick off a 166 a day. Now, again, if you claimed every single day, you're going to claim your profits too much. If you did a 6 and 1 or a 5 and 2, that's great. Again, do you have to compound all 30 days in a row? Maybe you take profits 5 days out of 30. You know, again, you have to do your own strategy. So far, we got 4 great ones. We're going to do the last one, the king of them all. You know it. You know what it is. Come on, you know it. BNB Miner. This miner's been out for 464 days, paying 3% a day. The best project on the planet right now. Oh, by the way, for all my Drip followers out there, I love Drip too. This has been out longer than Drip. So all you that are bullish on Drip, when it used to be, when I got in when it was $84, now it's $8. Oh, I love it. Let's go Drip. A lot of good stuff coming on. I know it's coming, but this has been out longer than Drip. Let's head over to BNB Miner. All right, BNB Miner made out 463 days, 6 hours, 19 minutes. When I got into this on June 1st, there was 2,800 BNB in this contract. 2,800. BNB was 298 at the time. And that was $834,000. Now there's 10,279 in less than a month. BNB is about 234. Something. Where is BNB at right now? BNB 229. We want to be accurate. 229. All right, BNB is 229. Not 234. 229 times 10,279. 834,000 is turned into 2.3 million. So there's $2.3 million into this. It pays out 3% a day. You can compound, you can pocket. There's a members video here. Definitely watch this. right here, where does it say 3%? It's like, oh, right here, 3% a day. I mean, I got videos on this. This is awesome. I'll link all this stuff in the bottom. Let's go ahead for fun. Let's go ahead and compound it. Watch that 5.58 right there, showing you all how to do this. 5 awesome crypto projects that I'm involved in. We're clicking it. All right, let's take a look. My 5.5, I'm going to talk about that in a second. 5.58, there's a 58 right there. That watch, this little barrel is going to go back into the contract. 58.587, 5.587, 5.6. All right, what do I need to tell everybody on this? I got started June 1st with 1 BNB. Then I basically compounded. I got about 50% of my money back. And literally, I was at 2.5 BNB. Go back and watch a couple of my videos. And I was so confident in this project because I need to try things before I dump a lot of money into it. I just put 3 BNB in today. Okay, so I had 2.5. I put 3 in. Now I got 5.6. I'm going to do with this guy at this, right here, members video. Go watch this. What he's doing. He started off, actually, I'll play for a second here.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to give you a quick BNB miner tutorial, and I'm going to show you the strategy that took me from 20 BNB to over 50 BNB within less than 6 weeks.
All right, did you hear that? He went from 20 BNB to 50 BNB. I thought he started with 10, but he started with 20. So I was shooting for 10. Now I got 5. Well, anyways, I got 5 BNB right now. Eventually, I'll do a video, I'll have 10. Eventually, I'll do a video, I'll have 20. Eventually, I'll do a video, and I'll have 50. This is my, what I'm trying to do, some of my goals and stuff like that. But the thing I like about this, right here, pays for 463 days. What's another thing I like about it? Right here in Moonarch. Take a look at there, right at the top. The longest running miner. So anybody who goes to Moonarch to basically check out things and stuff like that, it's right there. So pretty freaking awesome. 5 awesome projects that we're doing. I'm winning in all 5 of these projects. My favorite project is the BNB Miner. My second favorite project is the Cake of Fortune. All these projects I like. The BUSD Crop Yield Farmers, the BUSD Crop Farmers, and the USDT Trust Miner. All these are great. Share with my viewers some of the things that I'm doing that are actually working for me. Again, do your own homework. You have to do what you want to do. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Click right here, and I'm going to actually link a video, the whole video on Trust Miner, so you can check that out. And then click right here, and I'm going to link a video on BNB Miner, the King Daddy, the best one of them all. Longer than Drip, even though I love Drip. Been out longer than Drip, and things are going real good. Hey, everybody, wanted to bring you 5, not 1, not 2, not 3, 5 projects that are freaking rocking and rolling. Frank's Crypto Corner. We'll see you a little bit later on.